Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are experiencing a black screen in Windows 11 or 10 system, then this is a common issue. Sometimes it happens while you're working, your screen suddenly goes completely black. Other times, the problem shows up right after you log in. The system appears to load, but you're left staring at a black screen, either with a cursor or without anything at all. In some cases, the screen goes black immediately after powering on your PC. No matter how it shows up, a black screen can be frustrating and confusing. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through several proven methods to fix different types of black screen issues in Windows operating system. Let's get started. So, let's start with the basics. If you suddenly encounter a black screen while working, for example, your screen freezes and then unexpectedly goes black, the first step is to shut down your computer completely and turn it back on. Once you reach the login screen, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding it, click the power icon in the bottom right corner and select Restart. If you're prompted to confirm the restart, click Restart anyway. Just make sure you're still holding down the Shift key throughout, and when you see Please Wait, you can release the Shift key. This process will boot your system into advanced recovery mode and you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now, in cases where you don't even reach the login screen, your PC simply turns on and then goes completely black, you'll need to force your system into advanced recovery mode manually. To do this, we'll perform a hard reboot to simulate a power failure. If you're using a laptop, turn it on, and as soon as it begins to boot, press and hold the power button until it shuts down. Repeat this process 3 times in a row. On the third attempt, Windows should automatically boot into advanced recovery mode. If you're using a desktop or tower PC, turn it on, and while it's booting, unplug the power cord to forcefully shut it down. Again, do this 3 times. After the third forced shutdown, Windows will detect the issue and take you into the advanced recovery environment. Once you're inside advanced recovery mode, click on Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. The first method you should try is Startup Repair. This tool can sometimes automatically detect and fix startup issues. It doesn't always work, but it's worth a try. If Startup Repair fails and you see a message like Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC, go back to the Advanced Options menu. From there, select Troubleshoot again, then Advanced Options, and choose Uninstall Updates. Start by selecting Uninstall Latest Quality Update. This process may take some time, around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the update size. Once completed, turn off your PC completely and then turn it back on. If the black screen issue is resolved, great. If not, go back into Advanced Options and this time choose Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Again, this might take a few minutes. After it finishes, shut down your PC and start it again. If the issue still persists, continue with the next method. Now, return once again to Advanced Recovery Options, go to Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. This time, choose Startup Settings and then click Restart. After the system restarts, press the number 5 key on your keyboard to boot into safe mode with networking. Once in safe mode, log in using your password. You'll now have internet access. Now right-click on Windows Start button and select Run to open the Run dialog box. Type this command in your Run dialog box and click OK or press Enter to open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. You'll see your graphics card listed here. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If it tells you the best driver is already installed, then close this window and right-click again on your display adapter, and this time choose Uninstall Device. If you see more than one display adapter listed, uninstall them all. Don't worry, once you restart your system, Windows will automatically reinstall the required drivers. Now, restart your PC. And when it boots back up, your screen should work normally, and the black screen issue should be resolved. If none of the previous methods have worked, there's one final technique you can try: the power flush. This method helps clear out any residual static electricity that might be interfering with your hardware components. To perform a power flush on a desktop PC, first shut it down completely and disconnect all cables, including the power cable and any display connections like HDMI. Press and hold the power button for at least 30 seconds. This will drain any leftover static charge from the system. After that, reconnect everything and then turn your PC back on. This may resolve the black screen issue. If you're using a laptop, shut it down completely and hold down the power button for 30 seconds as well. Then power it back on as usual. This process helps reset the internal power and display circuits, which may be stuck due to power glitches. However, if your screen remains completely black and you don't even see the BIOS or boot screen, then the issue might be hardware related. In this case, check all display connections. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are properly connected. If you have a desktop with both onboard graphics and a dedicated GPU, try connecting your display to each available port. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as the monitor being plugged into the wrong output. And that's it for today's video. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the black screen issue on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the bell notification so you don't miss any future tutorials. Got questions or a solution that worked for you? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and it might help others too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.